this sign says Railroad Grade Trail. This is where people in the winter go sledding and tubing.
Mile marker 379.
Ooh, yeah, right at mile marker. Whoa, I can't even see it. Sorry, guys. 379. Got it. Yoo-hoo!
Okay, we're up at another place. We're gonna hide another treasure up here in the White Mountains. Old ski resort that people will come to sled now in the winter. But we're gonna try to find a place. See there, Mom?
Mary Poppins.
I'm Mary Poppins, y'all.
For the treasure. Yeah,
We're gonna hide this treasure this time.
All right. Who's all with us? We got Haley, Sadie, and we got our niece, Savannah.
We're gonna hike up this road. Kind of up to, I think we might use that tower as a place to go off of. I don't know what they're mining out here. Maybe just lava rock. That looks pretty cool though. Unbelievable. What? Oh, we got some Charmin Ultra Soft right here.
It looks used.
That's nature's best.
Man, you had me thinking there was a rattlesnake.
That's right.
All right, so here's our tower. We're gonna come this way down here. We're gonna try and find some places down here to put our treasure. Oh, now that is just unacceptable. Seriously? No way. Throw that thing away. Keep nature clean. Find a nice place for you guys to find it. Oh, easy there, buddy. Easy. Something over here. Holy cow! That might be a good place to put a treasure. Let's find over here. A stick? Ooh! Ooh, is this a stump? Oh yeah, that could work. Will it fit?